We live in a time when engineering is not a separate discipline, but part of a larger integrated process, particularly when it comes to designing and engineering the cities of the future, and to improving the world and its rich and diverse ecosystems. My name is Bart van Gassen, and I've worked as a civil engineer, architect and urbanist for more than 20 years at Tractebel. Each project is an opportunity to enhance the way people live, work, play and move in the city. A way of living more attuned to the world we live in. Success to design and build valuable civic infrastructures for cities and regions demands overcoming differences between people and across diverse disciplines. We work together as an integrated team of architects, engineers and consultants to find a consensus between our multitude of partners, clients and stakeholders. Finding this common ground and translating it into a state-of-the-art project is fundamental to our work and is what we do every day. Finding in the end a solution is rewarding for all of us. A couple of years ago, I participated in the design of a park close to my home. I'm proud to see every day that this park really lives, to witness how people use it in many different ways and to see how nature is flourishing there. Today we continue to work on this 258-hectare large city park in an intense collaboration with our architects, landscape architects, engineers, ecologists and hydrologists to make breakthrough advancements into the design and engineering of a city park. It's a true testament to the power of design with imagination.